While we're up the Cape, we put in a bore. Now we're just off the beach, about 150 metres, amongst the she oaks and the paper barks. We're going to dig down about 3 to 4 metres until we hit the fresh water. I've got this homemade auger here. Let's start digging. I started digging the bore late in the afternoon. I'll continue it tomorrow. The next morning, my mission was to finish this bore.
Definitely hit the harder stuff.
I need to remove a fair bit of the wet sand before I put the pipe down. A little bit of digging and I'd hit the water.
It's been a few hours since we put the pipe down. Now we've got a little submersible pump. We're lowering that down into the pipe. We've gone down about 3 metres, so we've got plenty of hose to get down to the water level. So the pipe's in. Turn her on, Jovi. There's our water. At the start, the water comes out a little bit cloudy, but it gets cleaner as you pump out more. So we've filled up all of our tubs here. We've got there 20, 40, 60, 80. We've got about 90 litres over there already just to get us through the next day. So as the day goes on, it's going to get clearer and we've got water while we're here at camp.
We finished